Good morning, everyone. This is Kay with Photonic Therapy Institute, and my helper today is Mr. Ace. He's my dainty little guard dog who loves everybody and everything. If he can see it, he's in charge of it. So Ace is an Anatolian Shepherd. He, of course, is big, so we try to control and make sure that he's doing well with his hips, especially, hip dysplasia is a big thing in the giant breeds. And just want to keep him and maintain him. He's already 8 years old in a giant breed. That's a good age. So we want to show you one of our favorite points, and this is Gallbladder 21. Now, believe it or not, this point is really important for the hips, even though it's up on the shoulder. The Chinese name translates to shoulder well. All right. So what we do is we find the shoulder line and we bisect the neck. So we come right down the middle of the neck to where it hits the shoulder line. And if you come in here, you're going to feel a divot. That divot is Gallbladder 21. And we activate it just by lighting it up. This is a great one for doing, if you have 2 torches, doing 2 at once, both sides. And if you just have 1 torch, just do the one side. There he is. He's already licking and chewing. His body's responding to that. So I'm already going to come over and do the other side. But Gallbladder 21 is so important. We can adjust horses' hips, human hips. It seems to rebalance the torso. So if you have somebody who's kind of always cranked around like this, if you look at yourself in the mirror and one hip is higher, and you kind of crunch down, this is a really great point for rebalancing that. And on us, this point is that spot that just gets a nasty knot in it, right at the top of your shoulders. All right? So if you can get the lights on that point, it helps to release, on those days that you can't get full range of motion on your head. Really, really good for stress release, but also for anything having to do with the upper torso. So this is a powerful point for breast lumps, for chest congestion, any kind of phlegm, coughing, trying to help cough up stuff, or make your chest feel more comfortable when it's aching from too much cough. Really, really powerful point. Gallbladder 21, also known as shoulder well. Okay, easy to find. Just come down here till you hit that knot right in the middle. Okay. If you want to learn more about acupoints for yourself, we have a new class starting in January. That is our Finding the Path class. It is 6 weeks, 2 hours every Tuesday night, starts February 2nd. And then also there's online work, and then we go and review homework and work together every week for 6 weeks. And then there's a post-class practicum. It is only eligible for certification if you've already finished your certified light therapist, but you can take it just if you want to know more about using acupoints on your own body. You'll learn to muscle test. You'll learn to trace the energy through your body. It's very, very powerful. And if you're already a luminary member of Photonic Therapy Institute, you can save $300. So the class runs $12.95. It's $9.95 for luminaries. You can find it in lighttherapytools.com under the online courses, Finding the Human Path. I hope you have a wonderful holiday this week. Merry Christmas to all. Bye-bye.